My name is Alfred Mayalu, and I am a PhD student in electrical and computer engineering. I love working with drones and UAVs, and that's so fun, and I get to do a lot of embedded hardware and programming. My research has to do with unattended sensing. So we have a bunch of different sensors that we place out in a field, for example, and we try to sense our environment around each sensor for some actionable need. And then once we found whatever we're looking for, a UAV can go in and investigate whatever is in that area. So think of a box that you set on the middle of a forest. Think of 100 boxes that you set in the middle of a forest, for example, and it hears someone cutting out a tree. And you'll be able to localize where this tree is being cut down from. And then you send in a UAV separately to investigate, is this actually a tree being cut down? Or is it a bird that sounds like a chainsaw cutting down a tree? But this has different types of applications. You can apply this to radiation sensing. You can put this all in a city and see if there's a nuclear bomb or some sort of radiation source in that area. So my research is combining the senses of UAV aerial visual data with the sensing equipment. This is all autonomous, yeah. So this is all, you set this all out in the middle of nowhere and it just does its thing.